Hello friends, FittQ is going live with its new session, Date with Life. Let me take you through the session itself.
And we will take this as an example. Most of the time you want to be like, I want this, I want this, I want this. And that's when you actually start losing focus. Nothing wrong about it. But it is like, if I have got, like 100 rupees, and if I go and buy pizza and buy, something like a cold drink and buy, let's say, a dessert, right? I can only buy of 100 rupee value. So 100 rupees मतलब 30 रुपए में पिज़्ज़ा लेना पड़ेगा. 30 रुपए में पिज़्ज़ा मिलता है क्या? Yes, बच्चा नहीं. शायद मिलता भी होगा वो दूरी बेकरी या ना whatever all that, right? Railway station. And then cold drink शायद वही अपना Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Pepsi, right? And शायद एक natural ice cream. 100 रुपए में इतना आ जाएगा. लेकिन अगर मैंने वही 100 रुपये में किसी चीज़ के लिए मेरे को अभी भूख लगी है तो बाकी सबकी ज़रूरत नहीं है तो ये जंक फूड खाऊं इससे अच्छा I go to a proper place. Now there are people who say branded things, there are people say vanity things, right? But when I focus my energy, I get better quality. So when I say so, there are 3 things I want. I think the better option is choose one, but nothing wrong with that. So let's go here. Are you ready? So you're sure you want this? Yes. Now we play something which is actually in terms called life coaching, and we'll talk about that. What is life coaching is? But this is just a part of it. Usually, most of the time, what we have seen, when people write something, they come to us. They want something, and usually the coaching session is like 10 to 12, 15 sessions. Session, like 45 days, 25 to 45 days apart, and each session is actually both 30 to 45 minutes. Usually what happens is, by the second or the third session, person start realizing, no, I don't want this. So anyways, so let's start this and we'll take only 5 minutes for this. So why do you need to achieve this? Or rather, why do you want to achieve this?
Like this. I have inserted the book of really good. It's all about good parenting, good taking care, good. My parents, lucky enough, very good growth, decent career. And if I keep going it is only 260, giving back. That is one of it is all about big houses, big cars, club membership, foreign tour. Giving back. And of course, I don't mean that if I let's say earn 100 rupees and I work like a charity.
So why do you want to give back to society?
Moral responsibility. As a responsible, trying to become a responsible human being.
Okay. And what do you think is your moral responsibility?
My first moral responsibility is, of course, towards my family, his parents, of course, wife and daughter, then when I get paid for my employer, and then society. This is a natural sequence of my priority, if you ask me.
Okay. So have you thought about your action plans for this particular society? Is your responsibility towards society?
No.
Okay. Are you going to think or do any planning for that particular?
I think I will.
So when you are going to plan to achieve what you plan, contribute towards the society, what are those 2 or 3, if not 4, 5, or let's say even 2 things that you feel that you should certainly have? Only 2.
Financial security at my own,
Okay.
so that I am free to think.
Okay. Can you you help me understand how the financial security is your time?
Now what happens is, as I rightly said, time plays a major role in our life. Same is applicable for me. Sometimes I'm not too sure the quality and the time I spend in the office, whether this is a use of a time, misuse of a time, or I abuse the time, which is going to perhaps.
I don't understand that. But that's okay. Yes, please.
So what happens is, we all have 24 hours. We spend some time in traveling, office, home, and twice, Monday to Friday. Then Saturday and I don't do anything, which technically I should be spending thinking on this so-called my social health aspirations. But by the time it hits Friday evening, I'm almost there.
Okay. Now, just taking a break here because I just have a very important thing mentioned. Or should I ask you next question and then? Because I don't want to influence your thinking. So, do you think that to serve the society, you first need to reach a stage where you have a lot of money and you have time in excess.
You have a lot of money.
So, before you serve the society or to serve the society, right? That's what you want, right? So, to serve the society or to do something for the society, you think first you need to have a lot of money and time.
Money partially I think. It's all about you have your own money, or you should be competent enough in resource mobilize the funds. Either or. So either you have that network or that you need to invest in that.
So, sir, do you think you need more time and money before you start serving the society?
Some money, some time, or maybe money and time is degree of you can.
And how would you define that some money and some time? Okay, now I need to take break here because I have a very special message for all of you. And I'm sure a lot of us are doing a lot of things, but you follow newspapers and the TV ads, right? And the Wipro, you know the number? How much? This recently donated, I think, 43 million something, right? It's for charity. Amazing. Sometime back, our own Ratan Tata, right? He did certification, right? And you keep, reading all this. The Facebook founder, what's his name? Yeah. He did some certification, right? And you come across a lot of people. They think, let me be there, let me reach there, and then I'll start doing the charity. I will start giving. Because first, मेरे पास बहुत होना चाहिए ना.